Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So really quick, I want to share this conversation that me and my brother had the other day, and I just want to get some of you guys' input, right? But let me tell you the story first. So we were talking, and you know, like YouTube is super crazy right now. It's been crazy for the past few years, but right now it is like at an all-time just craziness. Like so many people are quitting their regular, 9 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever jobs for YouTube just to focus strictly on YouTube. And I mean, that's understandable because you see the YouTubers that are so successful. They have like all this money, they're showing all their houses and cars and this and that and all their success, right? But I'm sure it didn't happen overnight, right? So let me tell you a story. So my daughter, she used to go to one of the complexes to play soccer, and she saw one of her YouTube families there, and she was so starstruck. I mean, you would think that she would have saw, like back in the day, like she saw Prince or Michael Jackson or somebody like in person at the soccer place. She's like, mommy, that's, I can't even, I want to say it might have been Ben's something. I cannot think of her name for anything. But anyways, she saw them and she's just like stuck in her tracks, and she's like, I want to go say hi. And I was like, come on, let's go say hi. And she's like, no, I can't. And then she's like, will you come with me? And so I was like, all right, come on, let's go. And she's like, I can't. So she's like tiptoeing over to them. And by this time, she just like lost it. She's like, I can't. She was just too starstruck. So with that being said, YouTube right now is everybody's like, show. That's their show. Like back in the day, we would watch like, Different World, Cosby Show, all those different things. And kids don't watch TV anymore, right? Maybe I'm just old, I guess, but kids don't watch TV. Everything is their YouTuber, their YouTube families, channels, whatever. But anyways, with that being said, that's the success that YouTube has, right? To make somebody an overnight celebrity, basically, a superstar overnight just by, subscribers, views, that right video, all that stuff. And that is something, to work towards, especially seeing the success that it has, right? But anyways, the question came up. He's like, would you quit if your YouTube was to like pop off and you were to just get all these subscribers and views and this and that, whatever? And I thought about it and I was like, me, probably not. Probably not, because I'm such like a creature of habit and just so like consistency. I like to know that every couple of weeks I'm going to get this amount of money no matter what, right? And then some people, you'd be like, well, what do you do where if you start getting thousands and thousands of dollars, every month, like way more than what you're making now, you wouldn't quit your job? And it's like, I think it's just for one, I've been at my job a long time. Two, I work from home. So it's just, I'm very, what's the word? I don't know. I don't have any complaints. I'll put it that way. I don't have any complaints. And YouTube, if that were to happen, would just be an awesome bonus for me. It would be an awesome bonus. I wouldn't like just be like, F everything and everything is just depending on YouTube, and I would be scared that at any time YouTube could change how they do things, or they could be like, we're only doing this much. It's too much fluctuation for me, and I think I would be too stressed out, trying to be like, okay, I got to get this amount of views, I got to get this amount of subscribers, be able to, maintain a certain amount of income, right? But that's just me. I'm also like, I'm that weirdo that probably if I were to win the lottery, I probably wouldn't quit my job. Like seriously, that's how, stability and consistency and all that stuff. I would do other stuff. I would still do stuff on the side, but I don't think that I would quit my regular job. And now my brother, he doesn't believe me. He's like, yeah, right. You probably know you would quit. If it went down like that, you would probably quit. And I'm like, But with that being said, I want to know you guys' thoughts. What are your thoughts if you were doing something, not necessarily YouTube, if you were doing something and you're like, okay, this is what I'm doing on the side, you know, hopefully it jumps off to where it's awesome, but you have a, you know, a regular job or whatever, would you be so quick to just leave your job? Like, if you're comfortable there and everything's good, would you quit, or would you be like, you know what, I'm gonna keep my job and I'm gonna do this stuff on the side too? You know, it's hard to say until it really happens. Who knows? But I'm just curious to know you guys' thoughts. But with that being said, there are so many people saying forget forget the regular job. I'm strictly focused on YouTube, and that's that. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. All right, bye.